What are you eating? What's that? Chocolate. Are you finishing your chocolate? And then we will sleep now, okay? Okay. Love you. More pasalubong. Pag may work ka si Daddy and Mommy. Okay? You will not cry anymore because?
I don't eat again.
Okay, you want to go to school? Because again? But it's Sunday tomorrow.
Just mommy,
It's so dirty na. No?
I love you so much.
Love you too. Good night.
Good night.